A multifunctional garage and ramp door come with the 2019 Stryker 3010 travel trailer toy hauler, available at All Seasons RV Supercenter. This 34-foot 5-inch travel trailer toy hauler has exterior wall-mounted speakers, painted fiberglass front cap, and an awning with LED lighting. The exterior storage has slam latch baggage doors with magnetic latches. The ramp door converts to a patio. Inside the 10-foot garage, an electric queen-size bed is found above the trifold power bed. The living area features an entertainment center with a swivel LCD TV. The sofa has cup holders and a dinette table. The kitchen comes with a double-door refrigerator, a microwave, and an oven with a cooktop. The island contains a sink with a high-rise faucet. A shower and a foot-flush toilet are found in the bathroom. The master bedroom's king-size bed has an overhead cabinet above it. Visit allseasonsrv.com now to see our full inventory online, or give us a call at 231-760-8772 to speak with one of our friendly and helpful RV representatives. No matter how you prefer to shop, All Seasons RV will work hard to bring you the nation's best RV brands for the guaranteed lowest possible prices.